Weather with Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner.
Well, hot and dry conditions. A burn ban is in place for Carroll County, Arkansas, until further notice. Today, the Washington County Fire Marshal issued a red flag warning, which means any fire started could get out of control dangerously fast. So far, Carroll County is the only county in Arkansas to issue a red flag warning, but this could become more and more of an issue, especially as we're approaching the 4th of July, because if there are burn bans in place, well, some of those firework displays aren't going to happen, and they won't also allow you to shoot off fireworks. So we're going to have to watch the droughty situation that is kind of unfolding right now across parts of the Ozarks and see how that evolves as we're approaching early July. I do have some good news in the longer range. In the short range, though, it looks like we're going to hold on to these dry and hot conditions. On radar right now, it's quiet across most of the area. We did see a few spotty showers and thunderstorms develop across parts of southwest Missouri near and to the south of Highway 60. There were a lucky few of you that got some much needed rain out of that activity. Looks like areas maybe around Mount Vernon, also south of Nixa and Ozark, down across the Highlandville area, picking up some rain earlier. Right now, the lone shower is in Newton County. And it's actually a cluster of showers and thunderstorms. There's been some lightning with this activity. You can see it is located to the south of Jasper, and it should continue to tend to slowly build towards the south and maybe southwest and then fade away, I would guess, over the next hour or so now that we're past sunset. Temperatures, they're really the big story and will be through the upcoming weekend. The 90s, they're back. We made it to 92 this afternoon in Springfield after a one-day reprieve from the 90s yesterday, and we're going to be adding to this streak over the days to come. The pattern across the region is a pretty quiet one. The reason why we didn't see much in the way of activity north of Highway 60 is because that was actually north of a very weak frontal boundary, which has slowly made its way south into southern Missouri. Behind that frontal boundary, the atmosphere has really dried out, and that really stifles storm chances. It looks like tomorrow, though, that front will be lifting back toward the north and east, and it'll bring moisture with it. And it looks like, especially close to that front, we are going to have a shot at a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. This is going to be primarily east of Highway 65 and east of Springfield. Here's a peek at our hour-by-hour forecast. Again, the rest of tonight, mostly clear, warm, quiet. I think we start sunny tomorrow. We'll hold on to mainly sunny conditions through lunchtime. During the afternoon, those clouds will bubble up, particularly east of Highway 65. And again, that's where we could find a spotty shower or thunderstorm during the afternoon. West of Highway 65, I think it's going to stay dry. Temperatures tonight, they're going to stay warm. It looks like upper 60s to the east, maybe getting into the mid 60s in areas like Marys and Miller County and Phelps County, where some drier areas trying to work in at the surface. Here in Springfield, looks like a low, I should say, of 71. Temperatures tomorrow across western Missouri and northwest Arkansas are going to be hot, back in the 90s. In fact, it looks like mid-90s from Joplin east through Springfield north across Stockton. Areas to the east, it looks like upper 80s to around 90, where there should be a bit more afternoon cloud cover and a slightly better chance at a shower or thunderstorm to help cool things down. 7 on our color for tomorrow. Our pattern, I've talked about this all week, how we're going to find that ridge of high pressure building north back across the region, and that is going to make for hot and mostly dry conditions for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The good news is that high should break down early next week. So we've got a hot stretch ahead, 95 and sunny on Friday, mostly sunny on Saturday, and 94. Slight chance for a shower storm on Sunday with a high of 93. And then as we get into the next week, looks like for the first several days at the very least, we should find widely scattered to scattered shower and thunderstorm activity, and that should send afternoon highs back into the 80s.
Okay, good news there. We also have some good news to share with the viewers.
Yes, we do. I love showing this graphic.
Yeah.
Are we able? There it is. There's the graphic. We had a big winner yesterday. Cindy Messick of Pontiac, Missouri, won $800. We've reset our jackpot to $100, and the number tonight is 205-128.
Okay, check your cards, folks. Good luck. And coming up next.